crossing the same line. One burns fast, one fades slow, both chasing what they'll never hold. Barefoot through the fire, blind to cost, consumed by desire. Every fall feels like a start, every wound ignored by the heart. Time is cheap when days are wide, dreams grow tall where doubts can't hide, but wisdom sleeps beneath the skin, waiting for the loss to begin. If I could speak to